Okay, everybody, so welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace and a Tiny Product Lab. I'm going to continue to do some recordings on CARRD today based on your questions. My pug is going to continue to snore in the background, which you're not going to believe how loud, considering he's about 20 feet away. You're going to be able to hear him, which is very funny. But nonetheless, we're going to continue covering some of this stuff. I'm going to post this on YouTube as well for some folks who are interested in learning more about CARRD there. All right, so some folks in our community asked about more premium CARRD templates that are ideal for designers, for studios, for selling services. This is a newish, new to me anyway, CARRD template shop that has some really beautiful templates that are more akin to higher end style, landing pages relative to what most folks are accustomed to with respect to CARRD. I don't want to say they're at framer level with respect to the aesthetics, but they're close and they're really super inexpensive. This one happens to be free, and I actually loaded this into my account so you can see what it looks like. But there's a bunch of other pretty nice looking themes here that you can actually look at the demos. This is it's pretty good looking theme that I would not imagine is by default a CARRD theme. Like I would think this was built on some other platform like ReadyMag or Cargo or something like that rather than CARRD, right? Maybe even Framer. It has that sort of higher end look. Again, CARRD is super easy to work with. It's incredibly affordable. So you can literally build an entire design studio selling these sorts of sites. I mean, these templates are, you know, $30, $35. These ones here, they're really, really inexpensive, and you can scale this very quickly because you shouldn't have to pay like on a per site basis, for the template. Like if you buy a WordPress theme or a Framer template, there's often, they give you these sort of restrictions, how many sites you can actually use that template on. CARRD doesn't have the same sort of rules around it. I mean, it's not really CARRD, it's the designers themselves, but, there ought not to be any restrictions. So you can literally invest, $30 and have a template that you can customize and then resell. Not the template, resell the sites built on the template, as many times as you need. So this one here is, I think, really cool. I'm going to show you what it looks like in my account. I just actually downloaded this yesterday or installed this in my CARRD account yesterday and made a couple little edits to, this picture with these, I modified the header a little bit. You can see here, those were the default pictures that came with the theme. Uh, Really, really nice. I think this has a really like high end kind of look to it. Ideal for like Linktree, link in bio style landing pages that you can sell for. Again, I mean, I could make edits to this in 20 minutes that would completely change the entire content structure of this page, and it would be ready to sell to somebody. I mean, you could literally, change, uh, you know, I mean, literally, you're just changing the links. All this is done here, right? So you have you can just change anything that you want super quickly, change the background, and you have this like great looking, you know, website that you can sell to, whoever. And again, I got to keep reminding people that, you don't need like simplicity sells, right? I mean, you don't need these like high end, uber aesthetically orchestrated and engineered designs to make real money using CARRD, right? You need something that's simple, that solves a problem, that replaces an existing solution that's suboptimal, in which case, or in this case, that would be something like using link in bio or Linktree, for a prospective client would be sending their traffic from Instagram, let's say, to link in bio slash Ian or linktree.com slash, my site or, whatever it is. And instead, you just simply do all this on CARRD for them. It looks better, it's more aesthetic, and you can actually make, like all sorts of changes to, their, their brand that is not within a template, that link in bio or link tree or any of those sorts of solutions kind of, constrain you with, right? You can also, most importantly, publish this to, their own domain, right? So if you go here, I mean, you can just publish this to a custom domain, and then your client's information would be inputted here, and then you'd publish the changes. In this case, I just published this to link in bio 2026 on a CARRD subdomain, which is free and pretty fantastic. There are some things that I would recommend you, kind of like be mindful of when it comes to this sort of domain, this sort of landing page relative to some of the alternatives that are available as Linktree alternatives within CARRD. This is. I really like this law. I think it has a lot of saleability potential. I think it has a lot of appeal because it has such like an aesthetic sort of design, and it's really, really easy to modify, and it's also really easy to customize. But there are a couple things that even this wouldn't be my go-to pick for myself if I was just starting right now, because you actually, and I'll cover this in another video, but there are other templates like that, like let's say this one here, that are far more rudimentary, also easy to modify quickly. And this is my edits to this particular, a template that I reuse. But this has this really great looking opt-in form, which immediately you can, add all of these, or you can pick your, choice of opt-in newsletter service or autoresponder or workflow, if you're sending automations, etc. And that this is gives you an immediate back end to sell a different service, which would be handling your customers, newsletter marketing or testimonials or something like that, which you can incorporate within a widget on a page like this a little bit more easily than on the one I just showed you, this one here, which is fancier, but it has a little bit less like built-in back end sort of immediately obvious offer that you can make to your clients or your community. Okay, so I'm going to publish this again on YouTube as well, so folks who are not in our community but who are interested in this business model can check it out. And if you are in our our marketing community for 2026, you can feel free to ask me any questions that you have, and I'm happy to record videos and audios to accommodate you. If you are watching this on YouTube and you have questions about this, feel free to ask, and I'm happy to check in there as well. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. I appreciate you listening, and have a wonderful day.